Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Instawork for temp job earnings, full guide step by step clearly. To download Instawork, start by unlocking your smartphone. Locate your device's App Store. For iPhone users, open the App Store. Android users should open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Instawork. Press search to see the available results. Look for the official Instawork app in the list. Verify the app's logo to ensure it's the correct one. Tap on the Instawork app icon. On the app page, locate the download button. For iPhone users, this button will say Get. Android users will see a button that says Install. Tap the respective button to start the download. Your device will begin downloading the app. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically install. You can find the Instawork app on your home screen or app drawer. Tap the Instawork icon to open it. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Complete any additional prompts to verify your identity. Once registered, you'll have access to temp job listings. Browse through available opportunities in your area. Select any jobs that interest you and apply as needed. You're now ready to start earning through Instawork. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.